Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today I want to share with you guys some things that I received as Happy Mail, and I'm going to talk a little bit about how I like to use them, and I'm hoping that it will be inspiring. Okay, I got this piece of fabric and I think it's so pretty. I think it's upholstery actually. And I love this type of fabric for my journals, especially for the covers because it's a little bit thicker. And so I think this is really pretty. But this will also work like as a pocket or even as a tab on your pages. So this is so pretty. I love those colors. And then let's see. This is so pretty with the rose. That's so pretty. Okay. And then here's this piece of fabric. Ooh, I just love this piece. It's so pretty, and look how big it is. This will be a really pretty cover for a journal. So pretty. I love this how thick it is. It's so nice. Look how pretty that flower is. Okay, and then there's this. Oh, I love this. You know what? I love white and cream like this because I use a lot of this for my slow stitching. And so I will cut little pieces like this, but this is huge, so this will be good as a cover also. So pretty. Okay, and now we're gonna move on to, I got just a ton of fabric. Oh, you know what? I forgot about this. How cute is this? That's so pretty. I love the glitter. It's so pretty. Okay, so I got that too, and then we're gonna move on to all this fabric. It's so pretty. I just love this piece right here. Actually, I love all of them. It's just, there's so much to work with. I think it'll be so much fun. And I love slow stitching, so this is going to be like perfect for journals and for slow stitching. Like if I want to make a design, I have like all the colors I need in here. So I'm going to show you more like bits and pieces so you can kind of see all the pieces that I have, all the different patterns. And here I kind of sorted all my yellows together and laid them out, and I can show you guys some of my favorite pieces. So I just love this one right here. This one's so pretty with the daisies. And I even have a digital kit that actually matches this. So I really want to use that one soon. And how pretty is this one? So these, I think these will all work really well as okay, look at this one. This one is so pretty. I love this one with the roses too. I love these vintage fabrics. I actually love all of them. I think they'll work really well. I also want to do more slow stitching, so these are going to be kind of perfect. So if you come across like fabric at a thrift shop or at a antique shop or even at a garage sale, I just wanted to show you guys to give you guys an idea of how you can use these. So first off, I wanted to kind of show you guys, let's see, I'm going to pull out a journal. So I'm going to show you guys, you can basically make a ruffle. Let's see. Okay, so obviously the most obvious thing is you can make a ruffle, and these are all strips, so how perfect are these? Okay, so you can make a ruffle, but you can also make like a little tab. Like, okay, look at this one here. I think this is a great idea right here. You just have like a little bit of fabric peeking out. This is actually a journal by Emily, and she's on my design team. And how pretty is this? So you can make a little tab, and you can use the fabric as kind of like to add some color to it. So that's one way. Another way I was going to say, let me see if I find a blank page. You can do obviously a ruffle on the side. kind of like my go-to way to embellish a page with fabric. You can also do like a little belly band this way. Okay, so if you have a bigger piece, you can do like a little tuck spot, and you can tuck something in here. This becomes a pocket. And you can either sew this on here or even glue it on here. And the cool thing is, this is just a start. You can keep going and embellishing it. Like, let's say you do this as a tuck spot. You can basically do layers also on top of each other, so you can have more interest that way. So that's one way. I also like the top pocket, kind of like that. And I like to add like a little label up here if I do it that way. So that's another way. Obviously, you can patch all these together and make a cover for a journal. But those are just a few ways you can do it. You can also do like little tabs. Let's see. You can do like a little tab. So you can basically just glue it on there. Like, how cute is that? Okay, so those are just a few ideas. I'm going to show you guys the prints again. These vintage, this vintage fabric is so pretty, and I hope it kind of inspires you what to kind of look for if you're out and about looking for fabric. And I actually have a huge pile right here. I mean, there's so many pieces. I'm just sorting through them right now. And I'm sorting kind of by color, but also I think I'm going to sort kind of by style. So these I think are so pretty and vintage looking. Look at these. I just love them. I think they're so pretty. So many. And then like the colorful ones, I'll put in another pile. I think these were from like a, probably somebody used them for quilting, because they are all the same sizes. And look how cool this one is. It's like a typewriter. There's just so many pretty ones. Like, look at this one. It's like all pastel. Okay, and then there's the red one. This is like a vintage red. This is so pretty. I love this. This will go really good with my strawberry kit. Maybe I'll make another one, another journal, just a little bit different. And I like the polka dotted one. And they're just so pretty. I think that they are great. And even this one, look how pretty this is. I love that vintage fabric. I think that vintage print is so pretty. And then there's this floral one. I think they're so pretty. I love this print. It's like such a nice vintage look. This reminds me of the print my grandma used to make us dresses when we were little. And so this kind of reminds me of that. And same with this one. So, so pretty. My grandma used to make quilts, so a lot of these fabrics are really, I feel like they're really familiar. Okay, how fun is this one? That one's so cute. And this one too, it's got such a nice vintage look to it. And then this one is really pretty also. I love these little floral, the tiny floral prints. They're so pretty. Okay, let's see. So many pieces, and I feel like I'm so inspired. I think I want to start creating with something from this pile. Okay, how cute is this with the vegetables and the jams? That's so, so cute. Okay, let's see. How cute is this one? And I love that they fray. They're like, it's cotton, and they just fray so beautifully. Okay, and I love this pink and cream. I think it's so pretty. And then the stripe. And then this one's so pretty too. I love that color. And then this, it's like a peachy pink. I just love the polka dots. Here's another polka dotted one. So many cute ones. Then there's like these fall colors. These are so pretty. So you can see how many, I feel like there's so many themes that I can go with. So a lot of times fabric will inspire me. Okay, this is backwards. How pretty is that? Oops. Okay, and there is even more. There is so much. I haven't even gone through everything yet. I didn't even realize how much you can fit in a box. It's like amazing. I thought I had so much. I pulled so much of it out, but there's still so much left. So I think these are also be really cool. Like if I want to do like my slow stitching, it's really nice to have different colors for like if I want different patterns. And I love this. This is so pretty. This is like my favorite. I love how like thin this is. Look at that. How you can see the crosshatch, the threads crossing like that. I love that so much. That's really pretty. And how cute is this one? You can see like parts of the house on this one. How cute is that? Okay, and so here's another one. This is so pretty. I love the florals. I keep finding so many pretty ones. I'm not sure which way I'm going to go with my next project. But I do want to use some of these pieces. I love this. I think this will be so cute, like in a country core type of journal. This would be so pretty. I love these colors. I think it's just so cute. And then this is really cute too. How cute is that? And then this is really fun. Okay, and then some more florals. So pretty. And look at this pink one. That one's so pretty too. And this red polka dots. I love this too. I think it's so pretty. This would be really fun for, I think it'll work with my strawberry digital. It'll be so cute. So let's see what else. There's this one with the sunflower. I'm going to have to sort them out, I think, because I think I'm going to like to have them all organized by theme or by colors. I think that'll be a really good idea. And there's so many of them. Okay, so here's a green one again. I like that. This is a really fun print. And then there's the pink. I think that's really pretty. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had fun kind of going through all these fabrics with me. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.